Looking for a Botox clinic? Botox is a medicine that is injected into muscles. It is used to temporarily improve the look of both moderate to severe crow's feet lines and frown lines between the eyebrows. Another name for Botox is botulinum toxin. It is a purified protein that temporarily weakens muscles. It has safely and effectively been used in medicine for over 30 years to treat different conditions. It has been used successfully for the cosmetic treatment of facial lines for over 15 years. It is applied to the muscles responsible for wrinkling, giving the face a more relaxed, less tired and stressed and ultimately younger appearance. After such anti-wrinkle treatment, your wrinkles become smoother or may disappear altogether. Botox treatment effectively smooths out wrinkles and refreshes the look of the face for up to 4 months. It is most often used to treat the lines on the forehead, frown lines between the eyebrows, and crow's feet that can appear around the eyes. It is also possible to use it on other parts of the face and body. The same Botox treatment can be used to treat excessive sweating, known as hyperhidrosis, commonly in the armpits, or on the palms, for up to 9 months. Call us today to book a consultation appointment with a doctor in our clinic.